Hello everyone, welcome to another video on Obsidian. In this video, we'll talk about highlighting text or how you can highlight or edit your highlights in Obsidian. In this video, we'll talk about two methods you can use to highlight text in Obsidian. The first one is by using the default feature of the Obsidian app itself, while the second one we will use a third-party plugin, community plugin called Highlighter. So let's begin our video without any delay. Let's use the first method of highlighting, that is by the Obsidian feature itself. So let's go into our note. This is a note of the book, The Molecule of More. And if we want to highlight, let's say we want to highlight this one. For that, we can either assign a hotkey or we can use symbols here. So let's go to hotkeys and search for highlights here. And you can see here toggle highlight. And let's customize this command and let's write Ctrl+Shift+H, and this will add a highlight. This will toggle highlight in our text. And let's select this text, and if we want to highlight this, we can use the hotkey Ctrl+Shift+H, and it will highlight this text here. And if we as you can see, the text is highlighted, and if we go to preview mode, you can see the text is highlighted here. It has a little yellowish background. It is not looking proper because I have used a custom CSS here, but let's change our appearance to light mode for a second, and you can see here's the highlight. And let's go back to dark mode. And now the second method that you can use to highlight is by using a community plugin called Highlighter. This plugin allows you to customize highlights and add different kinds of colors. So let's go to our community plugin sections. Here, community plugin, if you have turned on safe mode, please turn that off. Click on browse and search for highlighter here. Not highlighter, but highlight tr. Okay, here's this one, HIGHLIGHTR, and click on install. Click on enable. Click on options, and you will see different options here. You can add colors. Let's write blue color or red color here, and you can choose color hex code if you want to use a custom color, or you can use these colors for highlighting. Let's use this color here. Okay, click on save, and a new color is added. I think maybe the name is duplicate. Let's write reds, and new color is saved over here. So here is a highlight style that you may want to choose: low light, floating, realistic, rounded. You can choose anything you want. We'll be using, let's use a low light here. Click on low light, and now click on exit. Now if you go into your note and select any text and right click, I'm not in the editing mode. Let's go to editing mode and select right click and click on highlight, and it will show you different options here. If we click on reds, it will add a code for highlighting the text. And if we go into editing mode, you can see we had that underlined style highlight set in the options, set in the highlighter plugins options. You can also use hotkey to use highlight. You can go to hotkey and search here highlighter, and you can use hotkey for different colors. If you want to use blue color, let's use cyan color, CYAN. So you can go to customize, Ctrl+Shift. Let's write here J for this command. And if we select a text here, let's go to editing mode and select the hotkey Ctrl+Shift+J. And if we go to editing mode, here we have the cyan color highlight. So this is how you highlight text in Obsidian, and that is it for the video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because I will be coming with more videos like this in the future. And also please subscribe to the newsletter so that you get more tips and tricks related to Obsidian, note taking, and personal knowledge management in general. Thank you.